eggs here. Eggs. Start.
Let's get some blocks for these wheels. We don't know that the brakes work.
And that's it. Fuel pump.
Master. There's master.
We don't need the fuel pump because we got the...
Well, let's get some fuel pumped up there.
Okay. Why aren't you doing this?
Because I want to watch it from the outside.
Oh, okay. All right.
Let's get that
how long
fuel.
do you want to run it?
I don't know. 5 minutes.
Is your water temp gauge going to work?
I don't know. You gotta know nothing's gonna work. We got fuel up there? We should.
Okay.
Oh, the source.
Pull that in, it would be making a hole in the side of it.
Here, wait, open that up again, Carl. Just to, okay. The key. Just turn the key over and start it. Got the mags up? No, it should have started.
Good, John. Put some clutch in.
Okay.
Full start.
Alright, it should have started. We'll have to take it back inside.
You blow the main fuse?
Oh. Oh, will we ever put a fuse in it?
I didn't put the holder in.
I put the holder in, but I don't know if we've ever snapped the fuse in it or not.
I think we had one in it.
I can see the quality on this job right now. I thought I did, but...
Is that taping?
What?
Is that taping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Little
I want
flips.
to finish it. You did good, John. You really did, man. Did you guys try cranking it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's cranked out, cranked all the time. Did we put the? Let's see.
All right. And the key's on position, right? All right. want to put the prop on? I hope it's perfect.
Well, I don't know if I did or not.